Do it.
Can you give him some water, please?
Yeah.
Well, you think we do. Come on, either you take a shower or we open the gate.